Hi, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your SSD, because once you install the SSD, it's not going to be ready for its top performance. You have to make it performance for your operation system. In order to do that, first thing you want to do is right click on My Computer, Properties, Device Manager, Disk Drive, right click on your device, go Property, Policy, and turn off Write Cache. If you can't locate the My Computer, you can always go to your Start menu, because on the newer OS or certain OS will not have a My Computer on your desktop. You have to recreate the icon. Once you do that, you go to your Start, Control Panel, Power option. You can change your power performance. You can set it on high performance. Since mine's the laptop, it's going to be either on battery or plug-in. You can set all your time frame to dim the display, turn off the display, or boot it on sleep mode. Change the advanced power settings. Click on advanced. On hard disk, you don't want to go on hibernation mode, so always put never and never. Make sure everything is max out performance on every single of these options. Just go through every single one just to be sure, especially the PCI Express and stuff like that. Your processor power management, it's going to be set on 5%. Once you plug it in, because it's going to be on power on the outlet, so it's not going to drain your battery. So just boost up to 100%. Same thing with the desktop. You want to always put on high performance. Third option, you want to go into the registry mode. Let me show you guys that again. Start menu, type in regedit, regedit. I've done this so many times, I memorize it by heart. You can always search it up on how to do the registry for your SSD. Hotkey local machine, system, control set 001, control, and scroll down till you see session manager. Click on session manager and click on memory management, and when you see prefetch perimeter, click on that. Enable fletcher. Actually, you disabled it, because the value is going to be set at 3 for default on both of these. So right click, modify, change the value to 0 on both of it, and you're done. You will have to do that on control set 002 as well, and double check on current control set. Sometime it will appear on these 3 columns. After you're done, go to Administrator Tools, Component Service, You can always boost up your computer as well for performance by disabling the service that's not needed. For instance, I don't use fax, so it's been disabled. You can pick whichever that's not necessary for your own preference. You can disable to make it the machine uses less system resource. And also disable defragment, because that's bad for SSD. You don't defrag your hard drive. This defragment, right click property and just with disable, or you can stop it and disable, whichever way you prefer. The final step you want to do is go to accessory or type in CMD. I prefer this route because you have to run as admin. So right click on command prompt, run as administrator. What you want to do, you have to enable trim. Just type in Google and search how to enable trim and you can get the command. Now it's set. If you want to identify if trim is working, you can always use a third-party software to identify if trim is unable. For instance, let me double check if I still have the software. Okay, yes I do. I downloaded from my manufacturer website. I'm using a SanDisk SSD Extreme 2. Sometimes your manufacturer will have the program, so you can do it manually in the software instead of doing auto configured through the software instead of doing manually. Let's see, you can go performance, trim, enable trim. It was automatically clicked because I enabled it through DOS. And once you do that, for Windows 7, you will have to run the Windows Experience Index to identify new hardware changes, because if you don't, it's gonna still run at your old speed, which is a mechanical drive. It's gonna be the system rating on a mechanical drive are usually at 5.9 or lower. Once you run the assessment test, everything on your performance will jump up to numbers. Like right now, it's maxed out at 7.9. In Windows 10 and I believe Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, they don't have that. You don't need to do anything else. Just you have to do a couple of things to the SSD, but you don't have to run the performance test. Other than that, you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please make some comments and subscribe to the channel. If you think this is helpful to you guys, just make sure to leave some comments and I'll try to reply back as quick as possible. Thank you.